The KX3 has 100 standard channels stored in a memory bank where the channel numbers are 00 till 99. In the manual, these are called general purpose memories. Now we will start adding memory channels. We start by adding some channels to channel numbers 00 till 02 in this example. And I will start to put 5360 kHz on channel 00. First we have to select the frequency. And I told you 5360. That is correct. And then we hold down store. And then we have to select the channel number we want to have 5360 stored on. I will have it on 00. That will mean channel number 00. And then we hold store. We will do it again, but with frequency 7090, and we will put it on channel number 01. So we have to go to 7090, like this, and now we will store it on channel number 01. Then we hold store. With the VFO, we walk to the channel number 01, and then we hold store. We take another example, and this time 14.285 megahertz. And we will have this on channel number 02. We hold store. We go to number 2. And then we hold store. And now I will show you how to retrieve this channel, how to find them. Let's go to channel 01. We hold RCL, which means recall. And then we just go to the selected channel. Here I will have number 1. And we could just press any button. So now we learn how to store and retrieve a channel. Now we will learn how to name a channel. And for this example, I will name the channel 02 to QRP, since it is a QRP frequency. So we have to select channel 2 first. We go to RCL. We find this one here. And then we could press with any button. And now we have to name this one. And we press store. And then with VFOB, we will take us out to the field where we could put letters and numbers. So I use VFOA to choose letters. Q, RP, and now we press store. So if we go, we recall this channel now. And if we go through the memories, we will see that channel 02 is named QRP. Okay, any questions? Put them in the field down. Thank you very much.